In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact support in Strava app. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to say so you can get help quickly without any confusion. Start by opening the Strava app on your mobile device. Make sure you're connected to the internet and, if possible, using the latest version of the app so everything looks and works as expected. Once the app is open, head to your profile. The profile icon is typically at the bottom of the screen and takes you to your personal dashboard where you can see your activities, stats, and account options. From your profile, look for the settings icon. It appears as a small gear in the upper corner of the screen. Tap that to enter the settings area, which is where Strava keeps app preferences, account details, privacy controls, and importantly for today, access to help resources. Now, scroll down through the settings menu and look for the support option. It might be grouped with other account or help sections, so keep an eye out as you move down the list. When you see support, tap it. This opens Strava's dedicated help area designed to guide you through common questions and connect you with assistance. Inside support, you'll find an on-screen assistant ready to help. Tap into the assistant and ask for help in clear, simple language. A good approach is to briefly state what's happening, where it's happening in the app, and what you've already tried. For example, mention the type of activity, the device you recorded it with, the approximate date of the activity, and any error messages you've noticed. The more specific you are, the faster the assistant can match you with the right guidance. If your question involves your account or subscription, describe the situation in general terms without sharing sensitive information. Keep personal details private and focus on the issue itself, such as missing activities, syncing concerns, or questions about features. If the assistant asks a follow-up question, respond directly so it can narrow down the solution. Before you finish, double-check that your message is complete and easy to understand. Being concise but thorough helps the assistant route your request properly. After you send your message, keep the app open for a moment to see if there's an immediate reply, and check back later if needed. That's all there is to it. Open the Strava app, go to your profile, tap the settings gear, scroll to support, and use the assistant to get help. Follow those steps, provide clear details, and you'll be well on your way to a quick resolution.